This is Mr. Rajshekhar, lecturer in English. I am working in Government Degree College, Korutla. So, let me explain today what is sentence and its kinds. What do you mean by sentence? What do you mean by sentence? A sentence is an arrangement of words which makes complete sense or meaning. It must be meaningful and acceptable to the speakers of the language. Or in other words, a sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete meaning and thought. Complete meaning and thought. So it has two main parts. The sentence has two main parts, that is the subject and predicate. The subject and predicate. What is subject? Subject is the doer of the action. Doer of the action. And the predicate has two parts, that is verb plus object. So again, the subject we classified into three parts: first persons, second persons, and third person. First person, I and we. First person singular, I, and first person plural, we. Second person, you. Second person singular as well as plural is you only. Go to third one, he, she, it, and they. That is third person singulars, he, she, it, and third person plural, they. So these are the three types of subjects. Actually, what is subject? It is a doer of the action. Doer of the action. And predicate, it says it is a result of the subject. Look at the following group of words. Group of words. Mr. Raju goes to college daily. Mr. Raju goes to college daily. Where do you work? Close the door. How pleasant the weather. So these are the different sentences. Different sentences. Observe, the each has its own characteristics and features. Example 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, let us kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences, namely assertive or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and last one, exclamatory sentence. How many kinds of sentences are there? There are four kinds of sentences. That is the first one, assertive or declarative. The second one is interrogative. Third one is imperative. And fourth one is exclamatory. Let us discuss one by one what is assertive sentence, what is interrogative sentence, and what is imperative sentence, and what is exclamatory sentence. The first one, declarative or assertive sentence. Declarative or assertive sentence. So these are the examples. I am an English teacher. There are 4 members in our family. I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. I am working in Government Degree College, Koratla, and I am attending FDP classes regularly. I am also taking online classes. So this is my house. So I belong to Telangana. These are the different statements. So declarative sentence makes statements. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. What is the condition of declarative sentence? Every declarative sentence begins with the a capital letter and ends with the full stop. Ends with full stop. What is the main function of declarative or assertive sentence? It makes statements. It makes facts like that. Let us move on to the second one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So, say the examples. Which is your favorite language? Which is your favorite language? Where do you stay? Where do you stay? Do you like sweets? Are you free now? So, once again, which is your favorite language? Where do you stay? Do you like sweets? Are you free now? See that each and every sentence ends with a question mark. There are questions are two types, that is WH questions and yes or no type questions. So like WH questions are what, where, when, which, why, how. These in WH question, by using WH questions we get information. But in the case of yes no type questions, which begin with helping verbs like do, does, did, have, has, will, shall, in these yes no type questions we find confirmation, we get confirmation. So that in the WH questions we find information. In the case of yes no type questions we find confirmation. So a sentence which is used to ask questions. What is the main purpose of interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence which is used to ask questions. It is used for asking questions, for making questions. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Begins with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. So like there are different questions. Which is your favorite food? And how do you know them? What is she to you? And what are they to you? Are you available in the evening? Where you go tomorrow morning? These are the different questions. By using interrogative sentence we can prepare questions, either WH questions or yes or no type questions. Next, move on to the third one, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. See the examples. Please open the door. Please open the door. Don't make noise. It is better to consult a doctor. May God bless you. May God bless you. See that each sentence has its own speciality. Please open the door refers to request. Don't make a noise is an order. It is better to consult a doctor. Suggestion. May God bless you. It is blessings, in the form of blessings. So that imperative sentence expresses an order, a request, suggestion, or blessings. So this is all about imperative sentence. Of course, we have many more examples. Don't make noise. Work hard. Help the poor. It is better to improve your English. It is better to read newspaper every day. May you live long. These are the more examples of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. And let us move on to the last one, exclamatory sentence. What is the fourth one? Exclamatory sentence. Say the examples. What a surprise! Oh God, I lost my mobile. Lucky girl, lucky girl. Alas, the old man passed away. The old man passed away. See that, like each one has its own characteristics. It expresses sudden strong feelings such as joy, sorrow, sympathy, or anger or anger. More examples. What a beautiful garden! What a beautiful garden! Oh God, I lost my purse. Hurrah! I got the I got first class marks. Lucky girl. Wow, what a wonderful gift. Excellent, marvelous. These are the sudden expressions which we cannot imagine. So, the sudden feelings which are coming out of us are known as exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is nothing but interjection. Interjection. Let us have the review. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes complete meaning or thought. The sentence has two parts, that is subject and predicate. Subject means doer of the action and predicate includes verb plus object. And there are four kinds of sentences are there. The first one, assertive or declarative sentence. Second one, imperative sentence. Third one, interrogative sentence. And fourth one, exclamatory sentence. So what is the declarative sentence? It declares something. It makes statements. I am working hard. You should not go out as these are corona days unless you have an emergency work. So this is a statement. What is the condition of the statement? Every statement should begin with a capital letter, ends with the full stop. Let us move to second one, interrogative sentence. The main purpose of interrogative sentence is for getting information and confirmation. In order to get information, we have to use double-edged questions, and in order to get confirmation, we may use yes or no type questions. And imperative sentence, because our mind is changed in different times based on the situation and the condition. At the time, we express our feelings, like maybe sometimes we may pass the order, and whenever we read, we make a request, like making request, passing an order, and giving suggestion. All these things comes under the part of imperative sentence. And the last one, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means these are all sudden feelings, sudden emotions are expressed with the help of exclamatory sentence. Maybe joy, sorrow, sympathy, mercy, anger, delight, happiness. All these things are expressed by exclamatory sentence. These are the four ways or four channels to speak in English. These are called kinds of sentences. Thank you very much.